Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I'm so excited because I got my package from Temu. Of course I bought some yarn, but this time this is more excited because I bought a yarn that I never buy before and I never try before, because I want to try a new yarn. I want to make a new project, and so I decided to buy some new yarn. And in case any of you want to buy the same yarn like the few I buy, so this is, I hope, can help you to decide it that you want it or no. Okay, so the first yarn I want to show you is this one. This is very excited. I really want to buy it. I saw one in the local shop here. It's a nice one, but yeah, it's more expensive. But yeah, and yeah, I can say this is different. Probably different quality because different price as well. But yes, this is just so that I know the quality from Temu. Well, of course it's a cheap yarn, so what can you expect, right? So this is the look of the yarn. This one, sorry, this one, you see, this is, I can tell this is small, but it's not bad. It's have the hairy here, right? Yeah, and this one is cheap. I will put the price and the picture which one is this one, okay? And then the second one is this one. I think this is better. Yeah, this one, Fairland. And this is a 60% cotton, 30% acrylic, and 10% wool. And this is, I think this is good for blanket project or tablecloth, like that. Let me open this and let's see how it's the texture. So this is the real size, because in the Temu you're gonna think it's a big size, but actually this is not so big. Yeah, all right. And this is the long distance cake ball. Long distance, yep, it's like this. It's, yeah, you can see the wool here. It's good. It's soft, and I like the color. I bought a few colors, like this one, blue, I love it, and this one, the purple one, and this one. This is black and white color. Okay, and I also buy this one. Yeah, this one is 100% acrylic. All right, so let's see how the yarn. Yeah, it's really acrylic, but it's soft. I like it. It's really nice. So 8 strand. For this one, I bought 3 different color. This one and the white one. Let me show you. The white one. I like it. It's good. And I also bought this color. Brown. Ta-da! So I bought 3 colors. It's actually almost the same between this one and this one, just this one more to the gray and this one more have more white color. But this is cute, no? Okay. And now, oh yeah, I want to hold on. Let me put it back first because I don't want that to get dirt. I don't want them to be dirty before I have the right project for them. Next one is this rainbow. Okay, let's open this one. Fancy wool. I love the color. You can make a unicorn, and this is the strand. The strand. Sorry, English is not my first language, so I hope you understand what I'm saying. Like this. I like this. This a little bit elastic too, which is good. It's polyester. You can use the 2.5 until 3.5 crochet needle when you work with this yarn. It's writing here, which is good because it comes with all the instruction. Some yarn did not come with some instruction like that. So once again, this is the fancy wool. If you want to buy the fancy wool, I would say it's worth the price. Okay. Oh, and this one, I thought it's gonna be bigger, but it's not. It's just small. The safety eyes. I don't know. I don't remember if I checked the size or not before when I order it. But yeah, it's okay. It's have just blue, yellow and green color, which is fine. And this one is for my 8mm safety eyes. This is for using with glue. I actually like this one better than the one with safety pins on the back because it's really hard to open. Sorry, to lock it. Next is this one. This one, I like the color, and this is meant to be a bag, but I believe this is probably just a small bag. Yeah, I will show you the picture on Temu for this one. But yeah, I like the color. Nice. Next one is the one I always buy. I really love this brand, guys. I love it. This brand is really, it have a nice texture. It's really easy to work with, and it's give you the best result for amigurumi mostly, and it's very soft. It's very soft. I love it. I always buy this brand. I have a lot of color of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 pack of this brand. Yeah, I will show you my other yarn. Okay, one moment. This is the blue one. See, the same brand. Blue. This is the yellow. They sell it in a group like this. Yeah. And sorry, one moment. And brown. And this one, red, gray, black and white, and also the green. I told you I have a lot of color for this brand because I love it. I love the result and the texture. It's so nice. Alright, enough. Okay, so what else? That's it. Let me know if you guys excited just like me. Every time I got my package from Temu, I always so excited. I cannot wait all the time. I always wanted to come fast. So yeah, that's all. Oh, one moment. I want to show you this. Also, if you want to buy this one, this is supposed to make your amigurumi stand. It have 2 holes and it's come with this. See this? This is the 5 centimeter. Okay, and this is the needle, I would say, maybe. And you just, oops, need to put it here, like in here, in the hole, like this. One moment. Yeah, like this. 2. Maybe you need a hammer. Yep, you need a hammer, definitely. But it's nice. You can put your amigurumi here and they can be stand amigurumi. You can just put, I think you can just put this like this, for example. Oh, so cute. I love it. Oopsie. Yeah. Yeah, like this. Yeah. They will be standard, but yeah, I will just do it later and I will show you. This is my Dr. Amigurumi keychain. Say hello, doctor. Say hello to the viewers. Hi. Alright. I will fix it later. And I also, oh guys, I bought this one too. You see this? This I'm gonna make something, some cutie amigurumi. Put it on top. Pardon. And then you can also make the amigurumi, maybe moving for your car. Tung 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 tung. I have nurse too. Huh? This is the doctor. This is the nurse. Nice. Okay, I think that's all. What can I show you? I think that's all. Just if you want to buy something from Temu, the Fairland, buy it, guys. It's soft. I love it. Okay, and yeah, who are excited like me when they order something from Temu, from Amazon, or from any kind of online shop? I'm always excited, especially when it's something that I never tried before. Okay, so I think that's all. I will see you again next time. And please subscribe, like, and comment on my video so that I will be able to make another video, more excitement. And let's be friends on any social media. Just follow me, it's the same name. I'm available in TikTok and Instagram, the same name, Pinky Promise Crochet. And let's be friends. Follow me and I will follow you back. Okay, have a good day. Bye.